Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to Cooking in English. Today we are going to learn how to cook gingerbread cookies. Hoy vamos a aprender a cocinar galletas jengibre. Yo creo. ¿Ok? Write this down or take a photo. Tools: oven, baking sheet, whisk, measuring cups, measuring spoons, plastic wrap, spatula, elf hat. Ingredients: soft butter, sugar, liquid panela, egg yolk, wheat flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, salt. Unfortunately, I did not have a good sized bowl, so instead I am using a pot. Okay, step number 1. Mix butter, sugar, panela, and egg yolk together thoroughly in a bowl or a pot. I made this panela earlier into a liquid by getting some panela chunks and adding a small bit of water and boiling it and breaking down the panela until it created a nice syrup. Well, I guess we will mix it by hand instead, which is no problem. I did bring a whisk. Now we add all the other ingredients. Two cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, one teaspoon of cinnamon, one teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cloves, which I pre-ground at home, but there we have it. Quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Quarter teaspoon of salt-ish. And one egg yolk because I forgot it in the first step. You can get the egg yolk by transferring it between one shell and the other shell. Takes a little bit of patience, but there we go. And now we can mix thoroughly. Now is probably a good time to get in there with your hands, but first I will set up my plastic wrap. Now I will place it in the plastic wrap. It is a bit wet, but it will firm up when we chill it. We will now wrap the dough in plastic. Finally, we will chill for at least 1 hour. Here we go. The dough is ready. Now we can roll the dough into small balls with our hands. Como este. We will place the balls on a baking sheet and we will bake for about 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Haha! Too late in the episode, but now I have them. Well, this isn't too late. This is too late because I used my hands like a monkey. Now we will let them cool. Enjoy.